frames. That's what goes up.
Did you get you one of them lighter leashes too?
Don't ride a motorcycle, I do.
Well, hell, I don't ride all the time, but shit, it comes in handy a lot.
I'll tell you what, the prettiest fireworks we ever looked at was right down there in Gunnersville, Alabama. They set the big barges out on the river, and it looked like houses all the way around. And what it was yachts out there circling on these barges. They was firing them off.
On the water in Virginia, they're pretty good too. If you're close enough, you can see them reflect off the water. It's really cool.
We were sitting right on the river bank. The barge right out there in front of us.
I got the wheel. Oh, goodness. That's a neat.
Do what?
Mom got a ringside seat right here.
Yeah.
Look at that. He said, look at this thing over my head. Birdie. It's a birdie. Yeah.
Things over his head don't bother him. What makes him get his blanket and pull it over his face? And lay there and just talk.
Oh, look at that, Derek. Yeah, birdie one.